Hello lovely people, you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this simple assorted fried rice. It's looking delicious and it's looking yummy. Stay with me as we go through the steps in making this delicious meal. My meat was already marinated and kept in the freezer. With the seasoning, I used garlic, ginger, onion, all-purpose season, thyme, paprika, and rosemary. So we are going to steam it a little bit under low heat, and then we add water to it to have more stock to prepare our rice. So whilst we wait for the meat, let's go into prepping our vegetables. We are going to use carrots, green and red bell pepper. Make sure you wash it with vinegar or salt. Kindly help me by subscribing to my channel if you haven't, and please like and turn on your notification button so that each time I post content, you are always notified on it. I like to cut my vegetables into smaller sizes in cubes. This is how I like it when I am making my fried rice. At this point, if you have the vegetable cutter, you can use the cube ones to make the cutting easier and even for you. You can always substitute to any vegetable of your choice. I choose to also include sweet corn in mine. After some time, you can see that our meat is then ready. So we are going to set it aside and then fry it. Let's prepare the rice. So we are going to transfer our washed rice into the bowl, and then we add the stock from the meat. That is what we are going to use to boil the rice. Give it a good stir and then add salt to it. Then we are going to cover it and allow it to cook on a low-medium heat. About 7 minutes. Give it a nice stir and then cover it with a paper or a napkin to allow the heat to be trapped in. I am also going to use sausages because I love more protein. So now we are going to cut our meat into smaller sizes, smaller cubes. When the rice is done, make sure you stir it and then allow the vapor from it to be released. Also make sure that you don't cover it but leave it open so that it does not continue cooking. These are the ingredients we are going to use. Let's now put all together. Here I added my oyster sauce and my soy sauce. I didn't add them to the rice itself, but I added it to the initial stage of frying my carrots. This is because I didn't want to have the color change in my rice. I wanted to maintain the color but have the flavor of the soy sauce and the oyster sauce in them. So we added some all seasoning powder also, and then transferred the other ingredients. Spring onion is going to be the last thing to be transferred because it's easier to cook and we don't need to cook that or even cook it that much. You can as well do me the honor, if you haven't subscribed, to kindly subscribe and then also like and leave a comment. Don't forget to also turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on my contents whenever I post them. You can save them or always come back to this video and try your hands on it. There are other videos in my playlist that you can also watch.